Welcome back to school. Today we're gonna start three-dimensional shapes.
Polyhedron is a 3D shape bounded by polygons. Polyhedron's faces are each polygons that are bounded to a 3D shape. Edges are the line where the faces meet. Vertices are the corners where the faces meet. How many edges has this polyhedron got? How many vertices has this polyhedron got? Cuboid is a polyhedron with 6 faces that are perpendicular to one another. Its faces are rectangles or squares. Cuboid's dimensions, the lengths of the edges A, B, and C. Cube is a cuboid with its 3 dimensions being the same. Cuboid faces. 6 faces. Corners. 8 corners. Edges.
edges.
Cube. Faces. 6 faces. Corners. 8 corners. Edges. Prism is a polyhedron bounded by 2 identical polygons and several rectangles. Base is each identical polygon. Height is the distance between the bases. Lateral faces are the rectangles. Is cuboid a prism? A cuboid is always a prism because it is a polyhedron bounded by 2 identical squares and 4 rectangles. Regular prism is a prism whose bases are regular polygons. Triangular prism. Quadrangular prism. Pentagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. Triangular prism. 5 faces, 9 edges, 6 vertices. Pentagonal prism. 7 faces, 15 edges, 10 vertices. Hexagonal prism. 8 faces, 18 edges, 12 vertices. Octagonal prism. 10 faces, 24 edges, 16 vertices. Pyramid is a polyhedron bounded by a polygonal base and several triangles. Apex is the vertex where the triangles meet. Base is the polygon where the triangles join. Height is the distance between the base and the apex. Lateral faces are the triangles. Apothem, the height of one lateral face.
Regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base are regular polygon and whose lateral sides are isosceles triangles. Triangular pyramid. Quadrangular pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid. Hexagonal pyramid.
Pyramid. Faces.
5 faces. Corners. 5 corner edges. 8 edges.
Triangular pyramid. 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices.
Rectangular pyramid. 5 faces, 8 edges, 5 vertices. Square pyramid. 5 faces, 8 edges, 5 vertices.
Regular polyhedron. A regular polyhedron must meet two criteria. 1. Its faces are identical regular polygons. 2. The same number of faces meet at each of polyhedron's vertices. Tetrahedron. Cube or hexahedron. Octahedron. Dodecahedron. Icosahedron. Cube or hexahedron. Octahedron. Dodecahedron. Icosahedron.
Stop the video, copy this activity in your notebook, do it, and when you finish, play the video and check your answer. Rewrite the sentences with always, sometimes, or never to create true statements. A pyramid always has an apex. A prism is always a polyhedron. A cube never has 7 faces. A pyramid is never a prism. A prism always has 2 bases. A triangular prism is never a tetrahedron. A cuboid is always a prism. A polyhedron is sometimes a pyramid. A pyramid never has 2 bases. A pyramid sometimes has a pentagonal base. A prism is sometimes a cuboid. A quadrangular prism always has 2 bases. Any questions?